Chinese. I wish I could though. Excuse me, man. Are you busy?
No.
Okay. I just wanted to ask you, what is college like? Because I personally never went to college, so I have a YouTube channel. I just want to ask people what college is like. I never got to experience it. And plus, people like to see pretty girls. And okay, so, you know, I'm scared. You know, I'm scared.
I don't know.
You know?
I can't.
What do you go to school here for?
A business major.
Business major?
So I'm a freshman.
Okay, business is boring. I'm gonna tell you now.
No, it isn't.
I tried business twice, dropped out twice. Business sucks.
I've been out of school for about a month
Yeah.
because I got a concussion.
Oh God, tell me.
And I
about
broke
that.
my nose.
Damn, really?
I've been out since October 1st.
What
That's
happened?
my first year.
What happened?
Bike accident.
Like motorcycle?
No, a bike, like a bicycle.
You gotta be like the first person to get a concussion and broken nose like a bicycle. But that's cool. That's like a record there. Oh
It
shit.
didn't have brakes.
Yeah, that'll do it then. Shit. I've broken my nose, collarbone, fingers. It's okay. It happens. And business, huh? So, okay. So, anything else you want to say?
No, I'm just playing catch up. So.
Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Did anybody call you coma girl or anything like that?
No, but it's first to also get a concussion and a broken nose, and I busted my lip, made a straight hole right
that's
through
a
it.
cool scar to
Yeah.
tell stories. Well, shit, it was nice meeting you. What was your name?
Gabby.
Nice meeting you, Gabby. Go check out Ratchet Rick on YouTube.
Ratchet Rick.
Ratchet
That's
Rick.
a attention grabber.
Indeed it is. You have a good one.